company. We've been in this business since 1997. We make products for vertical markets such as the restaurants, retail stores. People are using this for running their business. So when we develop our products, we have to consider many products. One of them is it has to have a long shelf life. We talk to our engineers and we talk to our suppliers to make sure that the components that we choose, it will be available for at least 5 years. We started setting up this office in Taiwan to sell in Europe and Asia last year. We started doing some assembly here for the European and Asian market late last year. That's why we are looking into implementing an ERP systems to help us with our production control, accounting, and sales and CRM. We make products, right? You know that we make our own products, and besides making a product, we need to stand behind the product. The sales cycle is only maybe 1/3 of the whole product life cycle. The important part is the support after you sell the product. So we are looking for, of course, a product. Number one, the product must fit into our need, must fit our requirements. And when we look at, I think we look at 3 different ERP systems, and most of them can meet what we need. And then the second stage is we try to find the flexibility of the product itself. How can it be customized easily? And the partner, the consultant. So that's important because we started from scratch. So we need we know that we will need some advice, some consulting, and we find that CADMEN is a good partner, and they are willing to work with us, and they are pretty knowledgeable about the products, and more importantly, they are willing to help us during the process. So that's important because again, we start from scratch and we need guidance, and we feel that besides the product itself, the business one from SAP, the consultant ability to help us through the process.
Your advice for those who are looking for a partner or for a ERP solution? What's your advice for them?
From our experience, and again coming out from a company who also makes products and try to sell products, beside the product functions, which you can see a lot of competing products having the same feature, I think you really need to find a good consultant who can support your customized needs. That's very important because one product will not be able to fit all your requirements. Your own business is unique. You have your own set of rules and you have your own set of way of doing business. So I think the important part is the consulting partner.
Right partner.
Yes, right. Finding the right partner and be patient. You will not see the benefit in first month, second month, but in 6-9 months, a year, you will definitely see the benefit.
复扣的环境都很小，就尤其在你们点这个东西的时候不好点，有时候按这个跳到另外一个这很重，整个的 major train 大概在12寸、15寸，那有时候客人会用到17寸当内建 printer， 像这一台 S Line， 它是专门针对它需要收据印表机的地方，那它可以直接出这个 receipt printer， 那它的特色就是对 SI 来说，它可以很快的上线，会有一个 concern 说，很好啊，那你的东西整合在一起，但是问题是当发生 是 printer 的问题的时候，你怎么去
维修问题
对怎么去维修？那我们的很重要的地方就是我们可以在2分钟之内把这个 printer 更换完毕。就是2个按钮按下去，那 screw 打开，拿出来，把这个电源给换掉。
PC. It combines a touchscreen with the PC built in behind the unit. So the whole computer and system is very compact, and you can just let the whole system sit on your counter. So you do not see a lot of cables because it's all built in. It saves space, and we are showing here running the point of sales front end from CADMEN, and I think they wrote it to interface with the SAP at the back end. So you can do a retail transaction, you can add a customer. Once you add a customer, you can ring a sale, and all this data will be sent into the database server at the back end. So some companies are also using this as a queuing system. So, for example, in the bank, you walk into the bank, you will select who do you want to see and what business that you want to do with the bank, and then it will print a number for you. We are sure it's running some software for restaurant. So in the restaurant, when you place an order, you can just click the operator will enter the order on the screen just by clicking on the buttons. The orders, you can just pay the cash, pay for your order. Okay, and then you will print the receipt right here.